Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be creating a card using some PoppyStamps dies and also some of their stamps. This is the big donut, and the stamp set is called Donut What I'd Do. Donut What I Do, yes. Anyways, there is also a die that goes with it for the big word donut. So I'll be using those. Okay, so now using my MISTI and also using the Forget You Are Awesome stamp, I'm going to, let's see, this is the Creative Corner, MISTI's Creative Corner, one of them, and I lined it up. So my card piece right here is, it's 4 by 5 1/4 is what I cut it down to. There we go. So my paper is actually lined up to the, I guess that's the 3 1/2 right there. And then, like I said, the Creative Corner, the end of it is lined up to the 4 1/2. So now I'm just going to take this. I want to get an idea of where it's going to be from the edge. So then I want to start the end about right there. And then I'm going to be using Delicata and Pink Shimmer. And this aligning, it can be really done anyway. I'm just doing it for my mathematic thing, which is not very good, just to figure out how I can line it up so it'll go down 1 inch each time, but maybe you have a better way of doing it. So now I'm just going to do my first stamp right there, and then taking the end of the paper, I'm going to move it up to the next line, or to the next inch, which is to the 3, and then stamp it again. And then, oops, bring it up to the 2 1/2. And I'm just going to continue doing this. Okay, so now I am at the edge of my paper, or I mean at the end of the MISTI. Let me show you at the end of the MISTI here. So in order to go up the 1 inch, I don't really know where that's at. So I come down here, and then since I'm at the, I guess that's a 5 1/4. So I know that I'm going to have to go up 1/4 inch or 1 inch right there. So it'll be at 4 3/4, and then I'm going to continue going that direction. Okay, so now I have the paper back to where I had it before, to the start, but I moved it up to, so where the stamp will actually be on the paper, lined up the stamp to the edge of the MISTI, and then right onto the same line. And then I'm going to pick that up again, and then I'm going to do exactly what I just did, but doing this side of the paper. Okay, now that it is complete, you can see what it looks like. And now I'm going to take the donut stamp, stamp this in some VersaFine Clair. This is Pinecone. Afterwards, I'm going to take the die cut and I'm going to die cut it out. Okay, before I die cut it out, I am going to use some clear embossing powder on it. Heat tool and embossed. So now using the big donut die, I cut out 2 of the bases in craft, and then cut out the frosting in some pink cardstock. And then here is the stamp, the donut, that after I die cut it out. I'm just gonna kind of get an idea of where everything is going to go. The same stamp that I used before, going diagonal, I am also going to stamp across here. So I want to get that lined up. I'm going to stamp that in the VersaFine Clair and Pinecone as well, and then I'm going to emboss that in Clair. Okay, so on the icing, now that I have all this adhered on there, I'm going to use some JudiKins Diamond Glaze on there. Okay, in the die set there is these little hearts, and I cut them out in some glitter cardstock. And then I'm just going to place those right into the diamond glaze while it's still wet. I put some foam squares onto the back of the sentiment, or the donut, and just going to adhere that front. And then my card is completed. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit subscribe if you haven't already, and the like button as well. See you next time. Bye-bye.